Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Eternity Chain ERN daily update. We are going to see the next price targets. And of course, before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's go right now to see a little bit the chart and why did ERN pumped again for over plus 40% in just one day. And of course, what are the next price targets? Let's go right now to see first of all the why. As you remember, if you haven't seen the previous video, check it out, but I have drawn a trend-based Fibonacci extension. Usually when you see a double bottom pattern, you are drawing the trend-based Fibonacci. Okay, so you can see that this is a double bottom, this is the neckline, the 0.786. Also, the 200 moving average is approaching this line, this price right here in the daily frame. So what ERN did yesterday, it was to find a buying pressure, and the support level at the 2.64, which was the neckline plus the 200 moving average. Of course, the Fed saw this and you can see that we had a crazy pump going on. Now, can we go all the way up higher? What are the most important targets? And of course, what ERN could do? Because ERN can literally from here explode another 50%, going to the 5.46 and maybe even higher. But we are going to see what ERN needs in order to get there. First of all, the technical analysis. We do not have a huge risk with the technical analysis. Stochastic RSI is in an oversold situation, while the RSI is not above the 70s. This is good, right? Okay, according to the technical analysis, we have much room to grow. Okay, we are not even into the overbought situation of around 80 for the RSI or so. We are perfectly fine. Now the case right here is that we need to see some targets, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the fib from the top to the bottom, and here we are. We have the targets right there. So what we need to do in the 4-hour frame, we need of course to close above these two targets. Remember that we haven't closed above the 3.60 yet. We have crossed it, but we haven't closed above. Okay, so the 3.95 is the next one. 3.95 is the exact target that ERN needs to close above. If we close above the 3.95, then be certain that ERN is going massively towards the target that we talked about, the 5.5 to 5.6 USDT, the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level. So ERN can literally explode all the way up to the 5.52. Now the case right here is though that you're holding a risk if you want to buy right now, okay? Because if you want to buy right now, there's a very few chance that ERN cannot make it, and therefore we have a correction. We need to close above the 3.95, then we are going towards all these targets right here. And for me personally, ERN is very good, but at the end of the day, I will be waiting. I always want to minimize the risk when I trade, okay? I do not care about the profit target so much as to minimize the risk. And this is what traders should always do, minimizing the risk. Therefore, I'm waiting for the 3.95 to 5.50 is the next target for me personally. This is a crazy nice 40% to 30% pump, to 39 actually, okay? 5.52 to 5.6, you remember that 5.6 was the trend-based Fibonacci extension level, 3.95 to close above in the 4-hour frame or in the daily frame. 4-hour frame is less safe, but you get to enter earlier, okay? So yeah, you might be seeing that we are seeing a pump in the 4-hour frame. In the next 4 hours, for example, we are closing above and then you enter and you get the profits within 1 day. It could happen that within 1 day we go all the way higher. We just have to close above the 3.95. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.